गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू पैसा बोलता है। पैसा बोलता है में फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं एक ऐसे ब्रांड के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ जो एक स्टार्टअप के रूप में स्टार्टअप हुआ था। स्टार्टअप के रूप में स्टार्टअप। ये पहला एक ऑनलाइन ज्वेलरी स्टोर होता था। वो 18 कैरेट गोल्ड में कंसंट्रेट करता था। उसमें थोड़ा फाइन ज्वेलरी डायमंड स्टार्ट किया, छोटे छोटे डायमंड को उसमें लगाकर उन्होंने बेचते थे। सिर्फ ऑनलाइन बिजनेस में होते थे। वो फाउंडर्स का नाम था मिथुन संचेट्टी और गोपाल श्रीनिवासन। ये तो श्रीनिवासन गोपालन दे ही है। उन्होंने चेन्नई में शुरू किया 2008 में। वह पहले ज्वेलरी को ऑनलाइन में बेचते थे। वे बोलते हैं टू मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन विथ हिस्टोरिकल लेगेसी इन मॉडर्न थीम। ये सब बेसिकली वो 18 कैरेट गोल्ड से थोड़ा डायमंड लगा के वो ज्वेलरी बना के बेचते थे। Today I'm going to talk about a company which started as a startup in 2008. It was an online business. They had the idea of selling jewelry online. That's a very difficult thing to do because people have to trust you, trust the brand and buy it online. Normally people go to the local jeweler and buy it. It requires touch and feel. What they did is they sold 18 karat gold, put small tiny diamonds on it, built it with old ethnic style, and gave it a modern theme at affordable prices. The main thing was at affordable prices. People cannot afford gold at very high prices. Between 2008 and 2016, the company established itself and was making waves. In July of 2016, tanishq decided to buy this company. They bought 72.3% stake in that company. So basically, tanishq and Titan bought this company out at 72.3%. The two promoters own a bit of the other stake. They are still running the company. And so the Titan has the cake and eating it too. And for the first time, the company has done 2000 crores turnover. It's a profitable year. It has aggressively expanded in small towns and global markets. There is a high demand for jewelry, especially diamond jewelry, with affordable prices. So this gold is not for pledging, is basically for wearing, and it's a more of a beauty product. And international business has continued to grow and has grown at 60%. So revenue in Q4 has been up 57% at 571 crores. So basically, the revenue is spread right through the year. The full year turnover is up 73% at 2,169 crores. Over 3 years, the consolidated average growth rate has been 52%. The company has moved from an online to an offline model. It has 227 showrooms in 88 cities. It has more than 1 million customers and has entered the US market. And the US customer base has crossed 20,000 customers. So they have 20,000 customers in US itself. The brand is Carrot Lane and it was India's largest omni-channel jewelry. What do you mean by omni-channel? That means they use all types of methods to get to the customer. Carrot Lane still has an online presence. You can order online and delivery would come. But wherever there's a Titan showroom and there is a possibility of young population, like in Madras in RK Saleh, opposite to Stella Maris, is a Titan jewelry shop, Tanishq. And so next to Tanishq is Carrot Lane. This is basically attracting young girls to have and come and take a look. And people who entered Carrot Lane slowly progress on to buying material from Tanishq. See, this is basically what they are trying to, the brand aspires to do, is to make people feel beautiful, express their individuality. And the idea is if you wear this jewelry, you increase your self esteem. So Tanishq came on board in July 2016. And it is very clear that only after Tanishq came into this company that they have been well funded and growth has been very fast. And they have also managed to grow into international markets. Recently, they have announced a formation of a silver business and they are calling it Sahaya. So it's basically Sahaya, and in the Q4 the business has shot up by more than 50%. It's doing a very small range of level of business. At this point of time, it is only 8.5 crores. Silver is volatile, moves both up and down. And in my own lifetime, I have seen silver crack 50% in rupee terms 2 times. So silver is as good as costume jewelry. It's slightly better than costume jewelry. So basically, they are trying to become a fashion brand, trying to sell to aspirational people. What they are saying is if you cannot buy gold 18 carat, you buy silver, then upgrade yourself to 18 carat. And later in life, when you become very serious, you can always go back to the mother brand Tanishq. This is how Titan has grown. Titan was originally a watchmaking company, and then they made some precision parts for some aerospace industry. And then what they did is they bought this Tanishq brand. When they launched Tanishq, they got into all sorts of problems. The company made huge losses. The value of the stock fell to 3 rupees. That was 10 rupees stock. Then they turned around Tanishq, and Tanishq became a big success. And then they got into the wearable segment in the sense that they introduced a new brand, Fast Track, and then you could have wear Fast Tracks with cooling glasses and other things. And they also got into the fitness segment. And then from there, they moved to scent and other products, which are basically fashion products. Then they launched Titan Eyewear, and now they have launched a silk saree brand. My good friend Ramesh, who owns a company called Tangamail, which is doing very well in Tier 3 and Tier 4 towns and Tier 2 towns. They still don't have a presence in Madras. They have it in Trichy and other places. This is a listed company. What he told me is that the secret of Tanishq is they are not number one in any market, but they are present in all markets. Whereas normally jewelers are family type present in one or two markets. Tanishq was the first mover to be in all the markets. And if you are number two, number three in all markets, overall you will become number one. They also opened in the Gulf to tap into the Gulf demand. And they also were the first to use movies as a method for promoting jewelry. If you remember Joda Akbar, about 20 years, 15, 20 years back, all the jewelry for Joda Akbar came from Tanishq, and Tanishq advertised it. They used all the innovations first, and they have become a big brand. And when they realized that only jewelry will not be enough, they bought into fashion jewelry through Carrot Lane. Thank you for watching Paisa Bolta Hai. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. पैसा बोलता है को आपका उपस्थिति के लिए मैं आभारी हूँ. नमस्कार, जय हिंद, धन्यवाद. पैसा बोलता है में फिर से आपका स्वागत है. मैं सिंगापुर गया था. सिंगापुर में सब भारतीय लोग मुझे प्यार से स्वागत किया, और वो जो मीटिंग हुआ उसमें तो बहुत सारे अतिथियों से मुलाकात हुई, और ये तो कंप्लीट सक्सेस हो गया. अगले मीटिंग जून 11 रविवार को हम कोलालमपुर में करने वाले हैं. जो कोलालमपुर में रहते हैं वो मीटिंग में आ सकते हैं और मुझे मिल सकते हैं. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, जय हिंद.